Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, and Victor say everything for this life get a time. Apostle Alfred and Victor don put mouth for so many things for this video wey you dey watch so. If you no want make you miss anyone, try make you watch am from beginning to the end. So make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and Victor. Enjoy the video.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Today I go say ladies and gentlemen because we carry gentle face. Take enter studio this afternoon. I want to bless God Almighty for the privilege when He don't give us to see another beautiful day like this. Like we always talk for our broadcast each time we come online, and we ensure say we give God all the glory back for the privilege when He give us to see today. My name is Remain Victor. We listen and we meet this afternoon. For the studio, this site with us this afternoon.
My people, no, good afternoon. We thank God for the wonderful things we know they do. We go continue to the talk as it be. And welcome.
All right, so this afternoon we want to take time to enjoy ourselves for our broadcast this afternoon. Why? Because we want to make all of us make we chook mouth put for the matter when we carry come. It get within that they call time schedule. It get what they call time frame for everything. And make a carry on from this angle. Why you be say? I want to ask Apostle this question first. Apostle, sir, why you be say if woman don't they reach young girl don't they reach that kind 28, 20, in short from 25 up to 30? Why you be say people don't they chook eye for their body? Say you know go marry. Why you be like that?
My brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Because they expect say she supposed to marry. They also expect say she supposed to even born. Number one, you don't marry, you don't born.
Okay.
So they expect for Africa content, not just Africa. If the young child say you don't reach 30, 35, you don't get married. Some people say maybe na witch, or maybe na a grandmama, na a cousin.
That's true.
Some people say maybe she want to become a reverend sister. They'll begin to choke out and say, you know, go marry. But the truth be say, everything get time.
So this to say everything.
You get time.
You get time. That means
Get
say
time.
if I don't know if they applicable to young guys as well.
Yes. Some men, they 45 years, they never marry.
Okay.
No be witch cause am. Maybe the guy not plan well. He who fail to plan has planned to fail. He who failed to plan has planned to fail. PPP, proper planning prevent poor performance.
Yes.
Why some go they wait until they get one kind billions of naira for their account before they go propose or before they go talk to woman where they want marry. So before you know they don't pass that time. But for man, marriage not the for man marriage no limit. Man can marry at any time, but it will can't get problem when they born children. By the time they're 75 years old, the first pikin will they call and daddy or uncle because you don't know again.
So that means everything for life.
Yes, you get time. Yes.
Wow. And we won't come carry this ideology. Since we believe, say everything for life get time, and we know, say you know, they possible, say we'll give birth to Pekin, and we'll come say, I been made the Pekin just there also. When the child is now 10 years old, now that you want to go put her for school, I don't think say any loving parents and go do this. This now also to claim, say everything for life get time. We won't come drag this to enter inside the building industry.
Okay.
One drag and enter inside the building industry. And for the building industry, why be say I don't hear for small corner say the speed to build house within days is possible.
My brother, when you plan your schedule well, it is very possible. And especially when you know what you they do. You don't bring out your schedule. And those schedule it fall within what you want to do. And placing the right material. You get the right material in the on ground. and you get the right men to do the job, my brother, you can achieve anything on that little time.
Waiting Apostle just talk now. If I go get the opportunity to bring out one or two words, one of the things when strike into my ear, number one, now planning. And this now why for project management, project management gets 5 essential tools. 5 essential tools. Number one, initiation. That means say your contractor alongside with a project manager go follow you sit down to help you initiate your project. Wetin be the initiation? Wetin you say you wan build? You wan build 3-bedroom duplex. Now your project manager or the contractor go ask you say, okay, why you wan build this house? You know why? Many times, and many of us no know say this na the advantage of this building, this na the disadvantage of this building. But with the experience of your contractor or your project manager, he go advise you further, and that's the process of the initiation to help you initiate the project. Number two, now a duty to help you plan the project. And in the process of helping you to plan that project, that I go let you know say to carry this house from stage A to stage B, you go use 100 blocks. To carry this house from stage A to stage B, you need 5 bags of cement, as the case may be. Now you don't see say if this is achieved, it go help cure the issue of abandoned projects.
Yes.
Why? Because the project was being initiated together
and well planned.
And well planned. Number two, planning. Number three, execution. That means the person, the contractor, like God's Time Innovation, when sit down with you, it was on the know from the initiation state, the planning state. He also will help you execute the project. After executing the project, or in the process of executing the project, will help you monitor, when they call monitoring and evaluation.
My brother,
yes, sir.
As you just dey talk, something just flashed into my mind.
Okay.
A lot of persons they actually get this plan, but they can't get poor execution. So now that poor execution, it did the hand of the person when they hand over the contractor. Now they like all these things I tend to just talk about now, planning, get this, get that. Now a lot of persons actually get this plan. They can't get bad executioner. That bad executioner can be the contractor, can be their mother, can be their father, can be their friend, can even be their sister, can even be their uncle or their in-law. Now, why? Because now what you talk now, this one just flashback. Now this bad executioner make a lot of our brother they run leave their project. I don't even understand. Somebody get all these blueprints, how many blocks they need, how many cement, how many sand, rod, they don't already know. But now when they don't reach the execution stage, now they voila, they day. Now because of let me cut corner, or I want me my mama do one, I want me my uncle do one. Before you know, the project will be done design to do for 6 months, 6 years, that project still the DPC. Why? Because of the bad executioner.
So in the process of after executing the project, or in the process of executing the project, the project manager, the contractor help you to do what? To control the project. And after they control the project has been achieved. When they call project deliverable, then that means the project can be closed. And while you are closing the project, you are handing over the project to the project owner. Now, more than check where in the process of all these schedules, you realize say timing
Very important.
has been factored in. So for example, if the project owner say, I don't want me to buy block, I want me to mold block, you should be able to design the numbers of days when you go take to mold 3,000 blocks, for example.
Yes. But you know, designing that days, you can actually mold 3,000 blocks a day.
Yes, sir. Very possible.
Yes, even 5,000 blocks
In a day.
in a day. It's just the people, the manpower. Now, instead of me to mold that block for 1 week, I choose to do it 1 day. How? I get more hand, more capable hand.
And they do the job.
And they do the job. So why spend 10 years
In a job that I can finish in 1 day?
even 1 hour?
You see, what Apostle just talk, so it reminded me about what happened for one of our sites for Benin there. We mold 40 bags of cement in less than 3 hours. 40 bags of cement. I settled down. As they start, now 4 boys. As they start the molding, I check my time. I stay with them. As they finish, I say, wow. They spent 2 hours, 47 minutes
to mold
40 bags of cement. So you will see now, say, understanding the fact, say, okay, they are, because there be human resources, they feed the tire. Instead of using those 4 guys to mold 80 bags, why not use 8 guys to mold 80 bags? So in the
and you achieve your goal.
In the space of 2 hours plus, you have ended up molding 80 bags of cement that will give you nothing less than 3,000 blocks. So when we talk about speed for project, it depends on the person handling the project.
And the cooperation from the client.
And the cooperation. As far as we are concerned, we believe, say, before any contractor will do anything for your project site, that means there's a communication between the contractor and the client. And then the client also understands, okay, fine, CO, it go take 1 week. In short, I don't believe, say, any client go day when we say he gets his money for hand to do any project, and he go want to make you delay the project.
No.
I don't think so.
He not there.
Unless on our politicians, when they are no clear and they find ways where they want just to keep the money.
And they don't do already.
And they do that a lot. But in a real sense, I don't think anybody day when we say
he
gave money to do projects and he don't consult capable contractor to help her achieve his goal, and the contractor tell and say, Oga, this is your work, to finish this your work, it go take 1 week, and the person will say, no, I want me to job for 1 month. I doubt. So this is why we say, for every project, there's a time limit for every project.
Now I want to ask you, Mr. Victor.
Yes, sir.
Why be say some contractor they delay project?
Okay.
After all the fund has been made available.
Okay, may I speak from one small experience when I get. For 2 years, I did computer village for Ikeja, and at some point I became a computer instructor for Ikeja and as computer village. Part of waiting they teach us, we say, if client bring computer, laptop or desktop system come your office to repair, and as the time you say, see the problem, you can't look at, you can't troubleshoot them. You don't already see the solution. Now you have to press her like this.
Yes.
As you press her, they go start to the work back. No, you don't go press her for the face of the person. You tell her, say, okay, no problem, I've seen the PC, that's the laptop or the personal computer. What will happen is I will call you
when it is done.
So the person can come out. So as the person come out, you will just fix them. As you fix that, you leave them for your office
for like 2 days.
For like 2 days or 3 days. As the person they call you, go tell and say, we are on it. So when the person come call you finish, after like 3 days, you go call the person, we don't feel rectify them. So as the person they come, he go know, say, the money where I will pay this boy.
Don't be here.
By himself.
He go increase the money.
He go increase the money. But if you answer immediately, I think we all look, say, waiting, you just press. No.
They no go value am.
You just take this 500.
Okay.
You no go value am.
Okay.
So this.
But my brother, now God will bless you. But you not to say this on an African mentality.
Yes.
Because for Western world, it is the amount of speed you put in any business that determine how much comes to your pocket.
You don't talk about it. People are paid per hour.
So which means Africa, the reason why we sit there with day, we believe in delaying people.
Yeah.
But say if I quick do one, they go say, the money too cheap.
They don't pay
place value. But that's one a witchcraft mentality. Now, just as you talk about computer village, not believe computer village. This thing there everywhere. It happen for everywhere. You know that we get experience with one painter who give one of our projects. Now, we know say that painting, you go finish it for 1 week. To justify the amount when he collects, he stretch the work for almost 3 weeks. So that you will give on the work and say, this work hard though. No, it's achievable in 1 week. Why not do am waka? So that you physically go do another work. So now I believe that this African mentality now they destroy a lot of things for Africa. Not only building, all settle. And that's why you say politicians, they believe in abandoning project. If they can't do that project, people no go appreciate them.
We believe say money see they to do more.
Good.
So they go delay.
They go delay.
They can't use that money when they're supposed to do many things. They go to put up for only that one.
They go every month go to get allocation. But I believe say this one a witchcraft attitude, and that's the reason why our country no go fit develop. That's why for God's time in innovation, we want to be exceptional all round. We don't make up our mind to be exceptional. How? Doing the right thing the right way. Doing things the right way. Now we don't need to go abroad before we know the right thing. Thank God for internet. We they get information every day. Updates. Now even this video that is for behind so. Now last week we started. But we don't set the last coach on top of that. You know why? Because we don't sit down for God's time innovation. We sit down and say, look. This one are duplex. Between now and Friday, we should achieve this. We should achieve this. We should achieve this. Now the first one who comes out, we say now, for us to quickly tackle this project, make we fair clear first. And as we declare, we demobilize for sand. We demobilize for cement.
What stop?
We demobilize for block. We demobilize for road. Meanwhile, we see the clear. As we do pegging, all the material they don't enter side. So now with all these things, what can't stop us from executing the project on time? Nothing. Like somebody asked, you should say the building go strong, over strong. Even strong part the building they live for 10 years. You know why? Now the quality of material and with the cooperation from our clients. Now, Victor, I'm going to ask you one question. You don't answer one. Why be say African people would do they dubious when they come to business?
The word dubious and a very strong word for Africa to use for African people. But because,
no more talking as it be.
But because
we talk as it be.
Trying to state the obvious, and the essence of stating the obvious is to see how we go fit take stop them.
That is it.
How we fit take stop them. For me, I believe say one of the major reasons why some Africans, I will not say everyone, some Africans, Nigerians are dubious. Why they dubious? Now because of say they get wicked hearts.
Wickedness in the highest order.
They get wicked hearts. You know why? Yes, they get wicked hearts. Why I use the word wicked heart? Now because say person when they milky, when he heart they free. To be honest, I don't need to take a job when I know say I go short for that job. I they go somewhere. And job when I know say as we dey negotiate, I see say I know this amount cannot meet up with this job. Why take that job? But because the heart is wicked, as the owner they talk say no, I don't have that money. I can only pay 5 naira. And maybe I don't tell her say Organa, it's now you go pay. Because say I can pay 5 naira. Me I will come look say okay fine. Instead of 5 naira, no wala. Say na 5 naira, I will do 5 naira job for you. You can imagine that. That's wickedness. Why you not walk out of that job? Why not walk out of that job? Why you do that job? This is why that word dubious is being used for Africans. Because the heart is wicked.
So wicked and deceitful.
The heart is wicked. And so because the heart is wicked, you will now see wickedness exemplified in the open. And so you see and say, okay, fine. The same person build one house, for example. As the person build the house one stage, before you know everything just collapse. As everything collapse, people go to pass, people go to say, this person won't do this job.
A bad person, no.
Bad person. But the process, when the job take reach that execution stage,
a bad process.
A bad process. So this also now warning to people when one build as well. You must now your money, or you must ensure that you find the right person
To give.
to give the
Even
job.
if you pay excess.
Find the right person.
Sorry, my brother. According to Omega Restaurants, I know they advertise Omega. Say it is better to pay a good cook than to pay a doctor. It is better to pay a good and competent beauty contractor than to pay quacks that will make you cry.
Very true. Why? Because say I don't go some building projects when they say, do you wanna know the Nigerians? He just come. You just see the 2 pillars when they put for the veranda. He said no, not the pillar when me and you talk about this.
Okay.
He said take it off.
Okay now. Wahala do boss.
He said take it off. I look, I laugh. And I said, okay, fine. The owner of this project, no day Nigeria. He give a normal bricklayer maybe they do the job.
What you can expect?
Oga, why not get the services of a project man? The project manager will help you to be your eyes for the job. A competent contractor will sit down, help you ensure that the specification when they design for the project go, naim they do.
You know, say most time, a lot of people go employ architect, make design plan. They'll go give building engineer. I want to talk on this area. If you call architect, make a design plan for you, you carry the plan, give building engineer. It is advisable that the man who designed the plan
He's on ground.
is on ground
That's why you paid him.
to monitor the plan. Now, when you talk to monitor the plan, now different money, you know they are part of which is the plan.
Yeah.
You only plan to design the plan. Now, when it comes to the execution stage, you must also invite that architect because now only one go fit interpret that plan because they ain't designer. But there are builders who can actually interpret plan. But there are some secrets where the architect is see the builder not go fit see am. Now, before I allow my brother continue, he get one side. One of my daughter and they build that house. The architect designed the plan, then he can't give the plan to one old man to build. Then we, because in my daughter, we also drive go there to see what thing that they do. The builder use almost 2 months to fight staircase. The man confused.
They collapse staircase like 3 times.
They collapse staircase like 3 times. Now I say, madam, the man who designed, not that I cannot amend it to, of which I give my own professional counsel. I said, but it go dey wise. So you bring in the architect. He said, the money with the architect charge the 2 months. I said, no, pay him the money. You are paying him for the time and for professionalism. Even if you spend 20 minutes, pay him the money. We don't attach it on, pay him. Now the money we don't waste for this staircase since. He never paid this architect. He said, not true. Waiting me I talk. Now she later do. She called the architect. Say, pay the man, let him do the job. As the architect come, he correct him. As many talk so, they do the plaster the house. You know why? More than not let many white pan foolish. You consider you wise pass. So people will just carry plan. You go say, hey, baby, that guy. No. Like we for God's time innovation, by the grace of God, me, I be architect by profession. Yeah. I be builder. I've been in building for years. And my late father was an architect. Oye modern design. Anybody will grow up for Benin, you will know my father. My father office there opposite Tom Line. Opposite Tom Line for Selu. Now, when you talk about building techniques, we know it's our finger. But time don't reach for us to begin to employ the services of an architect, of a builder, and a project manager. Now, the architect helped to design the plan. The engineer helped to bring out the structural design or the design or the construction. Then the project manager now to help you manage that project. They will also get quantity surveyor. Now the work of the quantity surveyor is to quantify the material, which we also they do too. We quantify materials. I tell you, look, so it will be why because we study them for school. We don't be pushed and start. Now, why would they take time to explain this in this afternoon? I believe say a lot of our persons they not get this information. That's why they fall into the hands of family, brother, friends who claim to be builder. My brother, not be everybody will carry trowel, go garage, not be builder.
I tell. And there's something I also we don't envisage. We get one issue when we don't see when go happen within the construction industry, the building industry in the next 3 to 5 years. If you enter 10 sites as we speak, for every 10 sites, as we speak, 9 of every 10 laborers you see on that site are Hausas. I won't repeat again. If you want count 10 sites, 10 sites,
A day.
10 sites, for each 10 sites when you enter,
For a door today. Oh.
as we speak, all over Edo as we speak right now, 9 out of every 10 laborers you see on that site are the Hausas.
Why be like that, my brother?
Are the Hausas.
Why?
So as we speak right now, our brothers, my people,
My brother.
my mates, we no longer they interested
In hard work.
in it's not hard work.
Let me just say hard work.
We no longer they interested to putting eye inside this building matter anymore. So now the Hausa, when all of us they shout, say Boko Haram, Fulani, now them full sight. This is the consequence. Now the consequence here is in the next 3 to 5 years, to be honest, there will be nobody. Why? Because the actualization of the western region will be actualized. And if we do that, to pursue that, who will come carry go site apostle?
Ah, this one a big problem. Oh. And to be candid with you, this Hausa now gain more ground. They have more access to your building.
Yes, now.
They know how you take dig the foundation.
Okay.
They know how much you spend. They know what thing they happen. As my brother talk, 3 years from now, all this our education, we say education go school. The gateway will reach. You will find who want help you mode block. You don't go see. So what do you not do then? Disaster.
Apostle, I don't think going to school should be an issue. It shouldn't be an issue. What we should be asking now is how we fit take upgrade ourselves such that we fit reduce manpower, leveraging on technology to achieve same results.
Now just proper training.
That's what we should be thinking.
Proper training and proper planning. Just like the OT handle the DPC.
Yeah.
OT handle the filling. Now we discover say if we employ manual labor, we go spend more and the time
Not
allotted 2 weeks, what day they do filling. That's the truth. What day they do filling. Because they will throw one trip today, tomorrow they say don't tie. You can't beat them. Now if you say that they fast, before they already 2 they say don't tie. You can't beat them. You understand? So I believe so we will never go anywhere. So what do? It will say how we can bring in technology that will help us fast track our project. Now, machines do with the mode blocks. Your owner just to use a pan shovel,
Yeah.
put the sand for the machine, and it will vibrate the block for you.
But we can even go far. We can even go far. If, as we speak right now, we get poultry farm, when we say you don't need to day farm to feed your birds.
Maybe a machine there.
All you need to do now to just put them for the machine. Then you get time frame
Yeah,
that by 8 a.m.
you will feed the bird.
before you know the feed go through all the feeding truck.
A machine.
Then before you know, maybe after like 30 minutes, water go come. The feed program like that in the next 4 hours or 6 hours, another food go come or and water go come.
It's achievable.
Achievable. So I think this is what we should be teaching ourselves. What we should be presenting before the world, because as we speak, for the building industry, we are short of manpower.
Well, this is the Builder Masterclass. We promise you now, we don't start. So quickly now, we will take on a go site, make on see how far we don't go. Yesterday, we do the casting of the lintel. Now we don't start with the shed block on top. Some people say, what did happen? If you will touch the casting, if they tell you that yesterday we cast, you know, but they say a lie. Say don't stay. You know why? Now missing. We they miss the way they miss our granite and sand. We know the joke with cement at all. Why? Because if you say person if you buy cement, you know say one build house. So we know they play with cement. The owner no need to day here before do the right thing. No. No, you don't have money to decide for us to do the right thing. So we they increase the numbers of cement. You know why? So that the building will stand 11 pound per bag. Do you think we are joking? We can also use 13 bags, 13 a pound. We go there. The building make be like rubbish. So we rather increase the numbers of the cement to reduce our time wasting, and we're achieving our goal. So quickly, we go enter site now. Make sure don't say how far we don't go between yesterday and today. And we trust God say we'll round off this work tomorrow, this first stage. So make my brother Caro now follow body. Make we dey go site. Oh yeah, follow me to site. So my people, this is the speed, and you can achieve everything. You can. Now just planning. With proper planning, you can achieve your goal. Now the burden of the beam, the front beam, now they capture the board now. Now make we drive reach the link. Let me just see something. Oh Abu. So this one are one of our engineer for the carpentry industry. This one are one of our engineer, the chief carpenter. Now in the airports they form this beam. Now the airports they form this beam. So we just set here now. Oh Abu, Now this one and the litter will catch yesterday. You see how? Now yesterday we catch this litter. But if they tell you that yesterday they catch and you don't go believe it. You know why? Because of the missing. Because of the missing. So this one is taking a 3 course. Suffering now, not the destroyed block. Then we are using a 2 coach for the surrounding. Now why would they use 2 coach for the surrounding? Because we want to put beam. We want to beam the house round. So we don't set here now. We don't set here now. About sweat on it. So we are making progress. We are making progress now. Yeah. So we'll round up this first phase by this week, by the grace of God. When I see the litter now, see, not be see there for inside. You can't pull it. You can't pull it. Why? Because of the missing. We know the joke with our missing. Now, if the attention I yesterday they do this later, will you believe? No. So you can actually achieve your dream with proper planning. So for growth time innovation, we don't plan. And we know how many days, bros, well done. We know how many days it will take us to take complete such project. And we're achieving it already. So now the final stage we did, so 3 coach inside, while the surrounding now 2 coach. Why we put 2 coach? Because we want to put internal beam before the decking. We want to tie the beam together with the decking. Oh, I'm a valley. So when I see him, this is now the master room. We are working here. So the work is ongoing. So 2 coach surrounding the same 9 inches. So my people, now the project side with this, and by the grace of God, we'll continue to give you an update. With good planning, you can achieve your goal. You can achieve your goal. Here in our kitchen. Here in our kitchen. Here in our kitchen. By the grace of God, all this sand, when it high, so we'll level them. Our guys will be coming to level this sand that will get proper landscape for the building. Now, when I see the catching of yesterday, you see the catching of yesterday. So not be, this will not be shoot bird mama run. So we believe in quality job. And by the grace of God, we are making a massive progress. We'll round up this stage by the weekend. With God, all things are possible. So some of you know they ask, you should say strong, over strong. Why? Because of the missing. A day is enough for the smith or granite to dry, especially when you mix am well. Now when you no mix am well, go take 2 weeks as it be now, so it be no dry, e no gree strong. You know why? Because of the way they take mix am. So my brother, this is how far we've gone. This is how far we've gone. We are taking the final level now. We are taking the final level now. So speed is achievable when you plan well. Speed is achievable when you plan well. He who fails to plan has planned to fail. Proper planning prevents poor performance. We have planned and we are executing by the grace of God Almighty. So this is how far we've gone, and we'll be running up this stage this week by the grace of God. Now some people will say, why be tutu block? Yes, we put tutu block for the surrounding because we want beam around, double reinforcement. Beam na casting. Na casting when you go hold the decking. You understand? So people can decide to set them, but we say no. We want put rod, cast them, then go give the decking enough solidity and balance. So those are the things and how far we don't fit go. So when I do well, make a live now with Victor as he still taking around. When I do well, God bless all of us now. My name is Senior Apostle Alfred. When I well done. Victor.
All right, thank you so very much, everyone. Thank you for joining us today again on updates when we get for our site, and all of us start this project together, and all of us don't kind of reach this phase. Today we just make we abreast all of us say everything for life na project, and because say we understand project management, we will understand also say time and time frame day for everything. And this now why even for those when go school and they get time frame when they want to spend for school, and once you finish you extend that time. Is either the school give the person certificate to graduate, or they give the person letter say oga, thank you, you don't have to pay for this school. So thank you so very much for joining us today. Do well to contact us on 070-670-13210. I call again, 070-670-13210. That's Apostle's line and also his WhatsApp line as well. Thank you so very much for joining us today on today's broadcast. And don't forget, say by 5 p.m. we will come live again for our Ogbonge program on the call Talkam ACB. God bless you all.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa and Victor. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.